welcome to another virtual ants video. Today, I will be creating a desert terrarium in a small jar. This terrarium will be holding my unidentified queen. The terrarium will have small cactuses, bones, red sand, and red dirt to give it the real deserty vibe. But finding the bones was going to be hard. I used to have chickens, but slowly they all passed away, and we would bury them in our garden bed to help nourish the plants grow around. After looking around for around 30 minutes, I collected a good range of sizes, and I set back to work on creating the terrarium. For the base of the terrarium, I suggest you use some sort of substrate, like sand or small rocks. The substrate will hold the water and keep it from sitting in the dirt, making the terrarium have a much higher risk of getting mold. In the middle, I just used red dirt that was in my backyard, though it looks quite bland. Now for the decorating terrarium. This part is entirely up to you. You don't have to use bones. I just thought they would bring out the deserty vibe. After adding the finishing touch, it was now time to add the new queen into a new home. Thanks for watching my video. I hope I inspired you or helped you to create a desert themed terrarium. And please think about subscribing to my YouTube channel. I post weekly, if not more, and I have big plans for the future.